Brake checking is a risky game, and today we're watching drivers who learn that the hard way. Instant karma, close calls, and well-deserved lessons. A courteous driver makes space, only for another to swerve in, block the car, and force reverse.
Go. Yeah.
Always keep your dash cam rolling. Link in the description to get yours before the next road drama. He came out of nowhere, spat from his car, then peeled out like his spit was on fire.
I'll move forward. Move back. Move back. I'm not jumping the curb, so move back. Move back the car. I'll move to this side. Can you move back the car?
Where are you gonna move?
I'm gonna move to the...
Move in that parking lot.
Why would I move in that parking lot? I live over there.
Where do you have to go?
I have to go over there. Ask these construction workers.
Where are you going?
I'm going inside, sir. Do you see the apartment? Over there. There's a whole townhouses over there. Yeah, okay. You have this. You told them to move. I've been asking them. Yeah, little shit. Yeah. What do you want to do?
Please change.
Golf.
Driver speeds off, stops abruptly, waves his phone aggressively, then shouts through a left turn. Thought he'd score a car, but the only thing he jacked was his own broken leg.
Entonces ahí, bueno, ese es un regalo sin duda bastante especial. Y ahora por otra parte, la familia piensa menos dinero, no sé si menos, pero pobre, no son, digamos,
A motorcyclist smashes a car window, unaware a child is watching from inside. Reckless revs and honk heads collide, turning the road into a showdown.
You hey, you want the dashcam, you begin upload lah. You don't buy cheater lah, okay? You go upload the fucking dashcam video. And fuck you lah, go back wherever you came from lah. Drive. You got dashcam, you go upload lah. Why you so scared? Why you so scared? Huh? You ni lumah angkatan lah. Fucker. Jibai, you lanciao lah. Hey, you lah, you go back one side lah. Oh, drive through country signal, mahal.
Tense merge heats up as a motorcyclist kicks a car, proving there's more than one way to throw a tantrum on wheels.
Hey guys, we had a problem with Lambo driver. He cut us off, he showed us a finger, he was really aggressive, so we followed him here.
A fake mess on a Lamborghini earns the prankster an immediate, no words needed takedown.
With this fake poop. Yes, we decided to prank him with this fake poop. Yeah, pranksters. Yeah, I mean, he needs a lesson.
It looks real, it looks real.
You? Yeah.
I'll wait in the car.
Okay.
Pizza.
Oh my god.
He's coming.
Get in my car! Get away from my car! What are you doing? You think that's funny? Why? Why did you do that?
You cannot go.
What is?
What the? What are you doing? Stop it! What up? It's a prank! Oh my gosh, it's a friend! It's a bit! Semuanya di luar bisa semuanya. What the fuck are you doing? What?
God, boy. So boy. Where is it?
Driver loses patience, floors it, cuts off 3 cars, and ramps up the tension. Slams brakes to prove a point, almost causes a wreck, and blocks half the highway. Driver cuts in, storms out to yell, then leaves as if nothing happened. Ready to fake a crash, then caught on dashcam and hit the brakes on the scam. Tailgater yells, threatens, calls the police on himself, and still leaves with a ticket. While swerving maniacally at a biker, the driver refuses to cooperate, turning the arrest into a second battle. Coyote grabs roadkill. She hits the brakes. The truck stops just in time, and the brand new F-150 slams in anyway.